In this tutorial I'm going to show you the patterns from pack 49 from Graphicxtras.com. The designs are arrow designs. Now I'm going to use them as a layer, and I'm just going to go through the various designs that are included in the pattern pack. Now the pattern pack has the designs in PAT file. That's the format for Photoshop, as well as Photoshop elements. Also, the pattern pack also includes PNG files, which can be used as layers, as well as EPS files. They're vector designs for any size of document. Now, I'm going to go to the layer, a new fill layer, pattern, and you'll get a dialog appearing here. Click OK, and a little dialog will pop up here. And now you can set the scale. Just going to set the scale so you can see the designs as a pattern. Now, of course, you can set the scale to be anything, but well, certainly within 0 to 100 or so. So I'm just going to quickly go through all the various patterns in the pack. Just going to quickly select them. Just going to resize that, and just going to quickly show all the various patterns. Just quickly select them. That, go through them. These are all, like I said, in the Graphicxtras pack, patterns pack. Now, when you've got a pattern, you can actually go over the top of it, and you can see how big the file is. So it's 495 by 495 pixels. Now, just quickly going through all those, so you just quickly select them. Whole selection of different patterns that you can use in Photoshop. Now, as I said, there's the PNG files as well as EPS files. So you can use those for different things. You can use, like I say, a layer, or use them as a source for brushes as well as other things. Right, so that's just gone quickly through all the various designs that you can find in the patterns pack. Now, once you've done that, you can actually just create another layer. That's another way of doing this. You can actually just say click OK at that point with its 50. So layers, that's window layers, and you can actually go to the menu over here, duplicate layer, click OK, and now you've got another layer, and you can actually, on the top layer, so you can actually drag that layer over there. Sadly, there is no actual linking of all the layers, so you can't just change one layer and change the pattern in another. Would be a nice feature, but doesn't appear to be any feature to do that. So, but obviously you can do that manually, so I'm just going to quickly show you. I'm just going to select that one and click there again, and select that one. Now, you might have to quickly adjust the position as well as change the scale, maybe, depending on the actual pattern that you're using. So I'm just going to quickly go to another one. So just set it, say 25%. Click OK. Now some patterns work well together, some don't. So and you can just quickly lay that out. Right, click OK. So that's basically basics of patterns and patterns in the Arrow Patterns pack.